How to change currency in Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change a currency in Temu, launch a Temu app in your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom, you will see a U icon or a person icon. You need to click on it. After this, at the top in your right-hand corner, you will see a settings option. Click on it. From here, you will find the currency option. Click on currency. Over here, as you can see, currently it is only USD. To get more option in your currency, first and foremost, change your country or region. After you switch into it, you will have more option regarding your currency. Then again, click on the U icon, head to your settings, tap on the currency option, in which you will see that the currency has been changed according to your region. By this way, you'll be able to change your currency according to your region or preference. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you can check out for the help and support of Temu as well. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.